Hi guys! In today's video, we make a mango salad. This is kind of Thai style of mango salad and a Cambodian style. So, here it is.
So we have to add now the chicken salt. So this is a chicken powder and some sugar, just enough for the taste because the mango is already sweetened enough. And then the dry shrimp, this can give us more taste. And then the chili, if you want to have a little bit more spicy, you can add more chili. Then now the onion, so this you have to mix it together, really mixed. You can use it with fork or a big spoon, but for me I prepare my hand to mix. So as you can see here, I use my hand because the pork I am not really happy because it's not really mixed together. So I really like to use my hand with this because the more we use our hands, the more we really like the taste. This is just the way I am doing. It's all up to you how you're gonna do it yours. But the taste was incredibly very delicious.
So this is our mango salad. This mango salad is a kind of Thai style and Cambodian style. A little bit spicy. And we have this dry squid and a fish fillet. It's nice to eat with our hands. Look, our squid. I really love this one. First time in Cambodia, and I was very curious, what is this? Then when I buy, I keep buying it, or sometimes I make myself. A bit spicy. Hey, you ordered this one? And this is very cheap to make. mango we pick in the neighbor. And usually the mango here is only 50 cents a kilo. Very cheap because it's a season now.
The birds stay there every time, huh? Even hot, huh?
Even rain.
Oh my God. Xin vào chết nhỉ. But yesterday not spicy, huh? Not
No.
spicy like we eat before.
Okay, thank you. We have to finish our food. We have to enjoy our mango food. And today is a woman day, so we have to eat.
No believe we not eat.
We have to eat our special mango salad. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video, and now it's time to click in here in my face to subscribe my channel. But if you don't have a Google account, you can click this video and I can show you how to make one. You can also watch my other videos by clicking in there. Thank you.